And welcome to OurDisk. This is a small demo on how to work with individual files. So, to access an individual file, we obviously navigate down through categories into our folder, and then to go to an individual file, just double click on the file and you'll go through to a page that looks like this. Now, in some cases, PDFs and JPEGs, for example, it will bring in the metadata associated with that particular file. So that's not that's automated generated content. So if I have administrator or editor rights, I can edit the details of this. Single click on the edit button, I can go in and give this a meaningful title. I can also give it a meaningful description if I need to. I can add tags to help with search, or I can move the file to another part of the system if I would like to. I can save that. So there we go. It's a little bit cleaner description now. So I can also view the history of this file at this level. So you can see that I uploaded the file, started the process on the 24th of Feb, but then I've downloaded it for various reasons these times, and then that's just recorded just then me editing that. So it's a great way to track who's done what, when and how with this particular file. Now let's go back to the detail. So if I wanted to download, simple case of hitting download and that will start that download process. I can also delete this file and it will send it to the trash. So let's do that. So rainforest picture, I'm going yes, I'm deleting this file, it's now gone from the folder. But if I want to retrieve it, just drill down into the trash, and there it is. I'm going to actually change the location back to Jason's folder, save that, and now that file is back in the list. There's the rainforest picture there. So that's how that works. Now invites, very handy part of the system. So how does it work? Single click. I can search for individual people that are within the system. So I know I've added a John, and it will start searching for that user. I think I've actually deleted that user. So what about Jane? There we go. Jane Doe. So I can add Jane automatically through there by just hitting select. Now if I want to send to an external email address of a user that doesn't exist within the system, it's a simple case of just typing the email address and hitting tab, and that's considered an external invite. So I can also select group names. So I have a group in here called test, and there we go. So that will send an email to everyone within that group to tell them whether to retrieve this file or that something's changed. So I've got a message down the bottom here. Hi everyone, blah blah blah. Thanks. And hitting invite will send an automated email to an individual download page. People won't have to log in to retrieve. It's an encrypted link that takes them straight to this file for them to download it through the system. So it's a great feature, new to version 2, very, very powerful. So that's how that works. And that's working with individual files.